How to remove Zscaler from my computer. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can remove Zscaler from my computer. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So there is no direct way if you have downloaded the Zscaler and you want to remove it from your computer. There is no such direct way. So what you can do is just reset your operating system. For that, you just need to go to your settings and then go to update and security. After going to update and security, just go to recovery and wait for it to be loaded. Here you will be able to see this advanced startup option. Just tap on restart now and everything will be reset. So just like that, you may just get an option to remove everything including the scaler from your Zscaler. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.